bakma ötelim.
Reminding me of New Zealand a little bit.
Quite bad.
That we have lots of random rocky islands.
Where's been your favorite country on this trip?
I've only been to Thailand and Vietnam, but
Between it?
I think Thailand was just easier to get around. It's probably also because it's more touristy there versus here. Yeah. I just got ready. Literally wearing the same thing as what I've been wearing for Hajing Loop. Because it's so cold still. I think it's 13 degrees outside or 14 degrees right now. It's too cold for Southeast Asia. I'll be getting dinner with this couple that I met from the hostel or homestay. We went to the tour together and they're my age and they're really nice and we're gonna get dinner together. We don't know what we're gonna get yet, but we're just gonna walk around and see if there's anything we like on the way. Oh!
We're in the Bangkok Museum, which is one of the Bangkok Museum.
It looks fun.
And tonight we have dancers.
It was okay. Just wasn't what we were expecting.
The Indian food? Bobs too? Wow. I like trying different kinds of beer. Yeah.
I want to get a beer tank top from each country we visit.
Oh yeah.
Got a Laos one, beer Lao. And then we're going to get a Vietnamese one.
Did you get a Thailand one yet? Or
I'm
no?
going to get that one, then we'll go back around.
Oh, I actually really like this one. Yeah. It has a little sweet aftertaste.
Definition.
Been working on eating slower.
I said one time when he's not thinking about it, I'm gonna time him eating because it's so fast. When he's hungry, it's like vigorous. How is it?
It's good.
It's so saucy.
But it just didn't look like chicken.
Oh, it looks like a sausage or something.
Yeah. Like all ground up and then like put back together kind of, yeah. Like a sausage, yeah.
See? Rice gone.
We tell you about those kittens we came across at last.
This beer is so good. It's light beer, really nice and smooth. This will be my favorite beer so far on this trip.
비행 객수 승무원 안비행입니다. 승무원 몇 년 차예요?
Halong Market. Oh, it's one of these markets. Maybe I should have bought my carry-on here. Maybe it's cheaper? I feel like that's something my grandpa will like. I was thinking of buying souvenirs in Hanoi because I just don't have space if I buy. Now I'm thinking, what if I can't find the things that my family wants in Hanoi, but there's stuff here? I feel like if Halong has it, Hanoi would have it, right? Hopefully that's the case. It's kind of the same market as the other one that I went to that I said I was disappointed, but this one at least has more variety of clothes, which is nice. It's not just all the same things. Sell everything. Lovely fake flowers. Oh man, these fruits look really good. What is this? Chama. They were saying this one piece is 20,000? That's crazy. What the frig? I ended up buying 2 big oranges with tangerines for 14,000. We have a lot of seafood here too. Ended up just buying it for 40,000. Why is this so expensive? It's just 2 pieces. I tried to negotiate as well, but nothing, no one was taking the negotiation. This looks really good. Ah, okay.
Đợi dịp khác trước đi chị.
Come on.
Cảm ơn nhé. Cảm ơn.
Come on.
Đó.
There's no place to just sit down and eat. Oh, I forgot my hand sanitizer. Okay, so I got this chamuk. It's a squid cake. These were really expensive. It's $1 per piece, like 20,000 per piece. I was very surprised, but I just gave in after literally going through 7 different vendors, and they all asked for the same price, and I'm like, oh, fine, I'll do it. I just wanted to try 2 pieces. It's kind of like fish cake, but you can actually feel the chewiness of the squid, which is nice. It's a nice dish. This is so good. I don't know what this is, but it looked really good. So I'm gonna try it. It's actually quite nice. It's a pudding, but it's also a bit nutty. Not sweet. Well, it's a bit sweet, but it's not that sweet. Oh, I really like this. It has these squares of, I don't know what it is. It's not jelly. It has more like a fruit texture. I definitely would recommend this. I just need to figure out what it's called. I'm quite full and I wanted to explore a little bit on this side of the bridge of the town. So I am gonna walk towards the water side. And it seems like there's a little pathway I can walk along, so I'm gonna do that now. It's not a far walk from the market. It's only like 2 minutes, if anything.